Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode.
Today we're diving into a fascinating topic, English, AI, and the future of jobs. How are you feeling about this?
Honestly, a mix of excitement and a bit of worry. AI is everywhere.
Exactly, and that's why English is becoming more important than ever. Let's get into it.
Why English and AI go hand in hand?
Let's start with a big question. Why is English so important for working with AI?
Great question. First, most AI technologies, programming languages, and documentation are primarily in English. If you don't understand English well, you'll miss out on tons of learning opportunities.
True. Even AI training materials and global communication around AI research use English as the main language.
Exactly. English is essentially the bridge language for technology.
What kind of jobs will require English with AI?
Let's talk about job opportunities. What kind of jobs will specifically require good English skills with AI?
Well, think about AI prompt engineering, content creation, AI ethics consultants, international project managers, and customer support using AI tools. All of these roles heavily rely on clear, precise English communication.
And I guess that means English fluency could directly impact your career opportunities.
Absolutely. Better English means clearer prompts, better AI interactions, and overall a higher chance of career advancement.
How is AI changing communication in workplaces?
AI is streamlining communication. It helps people write emails, create presentations, and even manage teams. But again, clear English input leads to better AI-generated output.
Right. Garbage in, garbage out. AI still relies heavily on the quality of human input.
Exactly. Learning precise English helps maximize the benefits of AI.
Real-life example story. Let's share a quick story. Imagine a software developer, Emma. She knew coding, but struggled with English. Once she improved her English, she started using AI tools more effectively and even got promoted because her productivity increased.
Wow, so mastering English directly influenced her career growth.
Absolutely. It's proof that investing in your English skills can significantly pay off in an AI-driven world.
Practical advice for improving English for AI jobs.
What advice can we give listeners who want to improve their English specifically for AI-related jobs?
First, engage with English content daily. Blogs, YouTube tutorials, AI podcasts, and industry news. Practice speaking by explaining AI concepts to others.
Good point. Also, learn technical terms and jargon. Knowing how to clearly explain complex AI concepts can really set you apart.
Definitely. The more comfortable you get with English, the more confidently you'll navigate future job markets.
Motivation and closing thoughts. Before we wrap up, any motivational words?
Sure. Remember, the future belongs to those who embrace change. AI is here and it's not going away. Improving your English isn't just about learning a language, it's about unlocking global opportunities.
Beautifully said. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep mastering English.
Thanks for tuning in today.
Don't forget to subscribe and share this podcast with someone who needs to hear it.
We'll see you next time.